Wagwan YouTube, and welcome to my channel Sammy J Cooks. If you enjoy my videos and like the recipes, please like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I'll be preparing some tasty coconut breaded prawns. So we've got some uncooked washed prawns, and we're going to go in with a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of Italian style seasoning, a teaspoon of parsley, a teaspoon of universal seasoning, and a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. And we're just going to mix that up together. We're just making sure everything's nice and coated. And there we've got our seasoned prawns. And now we're going to make our coating. We've got 1 cup of golden breadcrumbs. We've got 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and a teaspoon of universal seasoning. And we've got a teaspoon of parsley and a teaspoon of Italian style seasoning and a teaspoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of garlic powder. So we're just going to mix that up all together, and then we've got that nice and mixed up, and there we have our seasoned breadcrumbs. And now we've got half a tin of coconut milk, and that's 1 cup of flour, and I've used corn flour, but you can use any flour you want, like plain flour. And then we're just going to whisk that in. And now we're just going to set up to coat our prawns. So we're going to dip our prawns into the coconut milk and then into the breadcrumbs. And make sure it's covered properly. And the same thing again, dip it into the coconut milk and then into the breadcrumbs, and you just keep doing that process until you've completed covering all the prawns. And that's your coated prawns, and they're ready for frying. So we've got our heated pan with some oil, and we're going to place each prawn carefully into the oil. Keep your heat at medium to low, and you're going to let your prawns cook for about 30 to 45 seconds on each side, and you just ensure it's golden brown on each side. There you see, I'm just turning over so it can cook on the other side. And our prawns are nice and golden. And ensure not to overcook your prawns, because if you leave it for longer than what I've stated, your prawns could become hard and chewy and it just won't taste as good. prawns are cooked and ready. Just place them on a sheet of kitchen towel. And we're just going to make sure we drain off as much of the oil as possible. And there we have our juicy coconut breaded prawns. All the ingredients are found in the description below. So please like, comment, subscribe and share, and hit the bell for notifications of more recipes from Sammy J Cooks. Bye.